Do you actually think we're going to see peace happen between Russia and Ukraine, right? That's just the main focus. I know all you guys was listening towards that press conference. It was highly expected that Trump was going to say we had a productive meeting and not give us any details about it. We all know that. That's just a part of his MO. But for us, looking for the best tradable opportunities, this war has been dragging along for a very long time. The markets pretty much don't show that it's affecting stock markets or even gold. But there is some good possibilities that we have to pay attention to. If we see that this war is not leading towards peace and we see escalations, will I expect a risk-off reaction? Maybe, maybe not. But what's going to be key is if NATO does get involved or if the U.S. shows any military involvement. Most people don't think it's going to happen. This is just all political, right? But that's the details that we pay attention to, because if there is any sorts of escalations, expect gold to rise as a safe haven. If the U.S. shows involvement, expect the U.S. equity markets to also drop from market fear, right? If we see that there's positivity, I wouldn't look for wordplay. If they're saying, oh, we have an agreement, I would look for any sign of documents, right? Any proof. If that actually happens, then we could see the market reaction from that moment. Do I expect it to be a long-term reaction? Maybe not. But positivity from this piece, right, coming in between Ukraine and Russia, it could lead to equity upside. It could also push gold lower, but I expect it to be short term because they've been pushing the war is going to end. The war is going to end for a very long time. So I don't expect the markets to really care, but news headlines is going to blast this over this week. So just focus on that so you can get a good tradable opportunity.